Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can get the free trial and the MyFitnessPal. So let's get started. So you first of all, what we have to do, simply you have to go to the website, and after that you have to create your account. For your account creation, you just need to provide some details for your better result, like your fitness, your health, your weight, your date of birth, and your gender and all. And after that, you will get this option. So you have to click on the start free trials, and after clicking on the start free trial, as you can see, unlock your full potential with your premium one. If you want to get the premium one, you can also do that. You can also start the free trial as well. As you can see, as the button, so you have to click on the start free trial as well, and you will get the free trial for the 30 days. As you can see, simply you have to provide the card details, and you won't be charged any kind of price. So as you can see, this is the price, and you will be free for the 1 month free trial. So in this way, you just have to provide these. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can get the free trial. You just have to create your account, and then you have to provide your payment details. So see you guys in the next video.